Hello, Miss. Today I'm going to present my sociolinguistic project. And for the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Mikhail Sulaiman Suju, or you can call me Michael. And the topic I will be presenting is code mixing and code switching. And for the first, in part 1, code mixing. Code mixing. Code mixing is the use of two or more languages in one utterance or sentence by bilingual or multilingual speakers. First, it typically happens when the speaker feels that a word from another language is more appropriate or is unable to find the proper equivalent. Second, because it takes place within a single sentence rather than alternating between sentence, it differs from code switching. For instance, aku lagi meeting sama klien, besok jangan lupa submit tugasnya ya. Types of code mixing. First, intrasentential mixing. Mixing occurs within a sentence. Example, besok kita ada final project presentation di kampus. Second, intralexical mixing, combining elements from two languages in one word. Example, dia sudah di-approve oleh bos. Prefix imbuhan di plus kata approve. Third, involving a change of pronunciation. Foreign words are pronounced with local pronunciation. Example, kata laptop menjadi laptop. Dalam beberapa kasus, pengucapan menjadi laptop karena pengaruh pelafalan lokal. Factor causing code mixing. First, bilingual or multilingual ability. Second, communicative situation. Third, lack of equivalent words. Four, style or prestige. Five, social environment or media. Reason for code mixing. Why do people mix codes? First, bilingual or multilingual competence. Second, to show social identity or group membership. Third, to express concepts that are easier in another language. Four, prestige or modernity. Fifth, lack of vocabulary in one language. Example. Berikut adalah contoh caption untuk code mixing yang saya ambil dari salah satu sosial media. Captionnya adalah Goodness of God yang dibawakan oleh kakak Abraham Ewaldo sangat merasakan hadirat Tuhan dalam pujian yang kakak bawakan. God bless, selalu kakak, Tuhan pakai untuk memuliakan namanya, amin. Hashtag FYP, hashtag The Voice Indonesia, hashtag Gereja Pentakosta Indonesia, hashtag Nyong Timur, hashtag Pemuda Kristen. Now we go to part 2. In part 2, I will explain about code switching. Code switching. Code switching is the practice of alternating between two or more languages or language varieties in a single conversation or discourse. Example, I went to the store, terus aku ketemu dia di sana. Purpose, to express identity, clarify meaning, fit social context, or due to habit in bilingual or multilingual communities. Types of code switching. First, intersentential switching. Switching occurs between sentence. Example, I'm going home, kamu mau ikut? Second, intrasentential switching. Switching happens within a single sentence. Example, dia bilang, she will call me late. Third, text switching. Insertion of a text phrase from one language into another. Example, dia udah pulang. Reason for code switching. Why do people switching codes? Because first, situational factor, based on context or topic. Linguistic need, lack of equivalent word in one language. Second, social identity or group solidarity, to show membership or familiarity. Third, to emphasize a point, stress, contrast, or emotion. For habitual use, common in bilingual communities. Implication and attitudes. Positive view, show linguistic flexibility and creativity, reflects multilingual identity. Negative view, in some contexts, may be perceived as improper or lazy, view as a sign of language incompetence or misconception. Example, berikut adalah contoh caption untuk code switching yang saya ambil dari salah satu sosial media, yaitu captionnya adalah Putri Indonesia 2025 tahun ke-8 hadir di final Putri Indonesia. Selalu dibuat excited tiap tahunnya. This pageant, more than winning, it's about purpose and rising together. Congrats batch 2025. A little recap never hurts, right? Hashtag Putri Indonesia, hashtag Putri Indonesia 2025, hashtag FYP. So that's all my presentation about sociolinguistic project. I'm sorry if there any lacking in my presentation. I hope you like it and enjoy for my video. Thank you, miss, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.